Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be talking about why PayPal might be holding your funds after a transaction. So usually this happens if PayPal detects any unusual activity from the account. So for example, if you're a first-time seller on PayPal, PayPal will temporarily hold all your payments until you build a positive seller history. That's the usual problem. So if you sell any products for the first time, they'll hold the first amount of money until you've made around $100, and there's no refunds, there's no problems, there's no bank reversals or chargebacks from your customers. So that's really important. Make sure you satisfy your customers so they don't want their money back, they don't want any refunds, and that way PayPal will verify your account quicker and stop holding the money. This might also happen if you sell high-risk items like gift cards, tickets, travel packages, or consumer electronics, or if you haven't sold anything in a while, you'll have to rebuild that history. Additionally, PayPal might look into sudden changes on your profile and your selling habits. So if you're selling something more expensive all of a sudden, or you're selling a lot more, then PayPal might flag your account and your account funds might be held for some time. The maximum amount of time that your funds usually get held is around 21 days, but it might be quicker as well. We'll be going over some things you can do to fast track that process in a sec. Before that, you might also want to try, if you're just transferring money between friends and family, don't use goods and services as a payment method. Use friends and family. That will not hold your money usually. So if you're a first-time seller and the funds you received are on hold, there is some things you can do to make sure the funds clear sooner and you don't have to wait the full 21 days. So you can use PayPal supported carriers to send the product that you're sending out, and then you can print the label from your PayPal account, and then the tracking information and delivery confirmation will automatically be updated in PayPal, and once the product is then actually delivered, PayPal will release those funds. If you want to do things yourself and just use a supported carrier, then you'll have to upload the tracking information manually. And again, once the product's shipped out, once it's delivered, you will get a hold of your money and it won't be kept on hold anymore. If you're selling something like lessons that are not like tangible, you don't ship them out, then you have to update the transaction manually so you can set the order status as completed and should get the funds a few days later. To prevent this from happening in the future, make sure at the start, especially when you're a new business owner starting off, make sure you avoid refunds, disputes, chargebacks, and this will just fast track the way to getting your PayPal account verified and stop getting your money held on PayPal. So yeah, that's really everything you need to know. If you have any more questions or if there's any other problem, you can always contact the PayPal support. And if this did help you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any more questions.